So I looked on Amazon, and lo and behold, on Amazon, I found exact fit for my year, make, and model of Jaguar. And it didn't break the bank. And I ordered these 2 days ago, day ago, and they were here today. So the first thing that I wanted to check was to see that they are truly the same size. And yes, they are. Now I'm going to open these up. I'm going to show you how I can get these open up. They're being a little difficult. Packaging is very thick. Oh, there we go. This is what you need to be very careful of. Looking in there is the part that clips in to the vehicle. And you need to make sure you have the right one for your vehicle, because there is different styles. So I made sure mine match up for the vehicle.